Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here in North Madison, Connecticut at Summerhill Cemetery. And this is today's Tàijíquán Tip, right by a roadside, so I don't know what the sound quality will be. But the idea here, quite obviously, I think, is to practice your Tàijíquán in a cemetery, or perhaps near a cemetery. We've had previous tips where we're practicing graveside. And the idea here, looking at a garter snake making its way through the mulch, the idea here is to consider, contemplate, and perhaps connect to your ancestors. Perhaps not ancestors in your bloodline sharing your genetics, but a thought that I have is that everybody who has ever lived has contributed to the world that you live in, make use of, call home. Every bit of their work and play contributed to build the world that you know today. And so finding a practice from your Tàijíquán that allows you to consider, contemplate, perhaps connect to the ancestors, perhaps not even these ancestors, but this is sort of a totem of that. Brings it to mind quite easily. So I like to do it as a bowing practice myself, where I'll practice my bows in or near a cemetery. But I invite you to consider your options there. Thank you very much. I'll try and keep this one short. Thank you as ever. And thank your teacher, even if they're not alive.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.